How to buy and sell gemstones. A beginner's guide. Buying and selling gemstones can be exciting, but it also requires knowledge and caution. Whether you're interested in diamonds, sapphires, rubies, emeralds, or rare minerals, understanding the basics can help you avoid mistakes and make smarter decisions. The first step when buying a gemstone is to learn about the four main factors of value: color, clarity, cut, and carat weight. In colored gemstones, color is often the most important factor. Rich, natural colors usually increase value. Always ask if the gemstone is natural, treated, or laboratory grown. Many gemstones on the market are heat-treated or enhanced to improve their appearance. Treatments are common, but they should always be disclosed by the seller. For expensive stones, a certificate from a respected laboratory is very important. Organizations such as the Gemological Institute of America, or GIA, and other professional gem labs provide reports that help confirm a stone's identity and quality. When buying rough gemstones, examine the stone under good lighting. Look for transparency, interesting color, natural crystal shapes, and avoid pieces with large cracks that may reduce value. If you want to sell gemstones, good presentation matters. Clean the stone carefully, take clear photographs from different angles, and include accurate information such as weight, size, origin, and any certificates. Gemstones can be sold through jewelry stores, gem shows, collectors, online marketplaces, or specialized auction websites. Prices vary depending on quality, rarity, demand, and market conditions. One important rule is never to buy a gemstone only because someone claims it is valuable. Real identification often requires professional tools and expert examination. Knowledge is one of the most valuable assets in the gemstone world. The more you learn about minerals, crystals, and gem identification, the better your chances of finding beautiful stones and making informed buying or selling decisions. Remember, gemstones are not only beautiful objects. They are pieces of Earth's history, formed over millions of years under extraordinary conditions. If you enjoy learning about gemstones, minerals, gold, and rare treasures, subscribe for more videos featuring real facts and practical tips.